My name is Ivo Venkov. I'm an architect, and my wife Rossi and I are paastudio in Pacific Palisades, California. Both of us architects. How did I get in architecture? I don't know. We joke around here, architecture is more of a diagnosis than a profession, and it's a way of life. It's a way of thinking. It's a way of perception about the world. So this is what we do for a living, and this is what we live in. So we like it, and I believe that ArchiCAD helps us do so quite a bit. I got into architecture when I started drawing first. That should have been when I was 3, I guess. After that, it was pretty much decided. I continued drawing and painting, but architecture came out first. What we could describe our architecture with is a few simple mantras. One of them is livable minimalism. Minimalism could be a pretty tough choice, but we like to make it nice and not homey exactly, but just good, just right, and easy to live in, easy to inhabit. This is a house that we finished about 3 years ago. It was a little bit of a tough project to build due to the pretty steep slope and small terrain, small lot. However, it proved to be quite beneficial to everyone. We try to define space delicately, without walls, mainly by suspended ceilings, and try to incorporate everyone's specific way of life into the project that we're working on. We do commercial and residential architecture, and we also do quite a few competitions. Competitions that we take part in are, again, commercial and residential. For instance, we won a merit award by a residential architect in 2005 for this house of ours, which houses our office as well. And we have participated in quite a few competitions, including a few invited competitions lately for office buildings and commercial complexes in the US as well as in Europe. And they range from, let's say, New England's Biolabs complex, which was an overall international competition, to an office commercial mixed-use building complex in New Belgrade, Serbia and Montenegro, and several other complexes back in Sofia, Bulgaria. We do have several business opportunities back in the old continent, and of course using ArchiCAD helps us tremendously to transfer data back and forth in between the two systems, metric and imperial, and also the ability of ArchiCAD to produce a high volume of excellently looking presentation and construction documents helps us very much in that information exchange. And hopefully, we're looking for more overseas in the near future as well. What we could say to colleagues who are thinking of turning onto a totally virtualized building model environment is, well, just do it, please. Now is the time, actually. Transition-wise, I don't believe that it is that difficult. Of course, we stand fully behind ArchiCAD because this is our main tool. Elegance and overall fullness of a product, which gives you the ability to start from basing model massing and functional schemes and go very quickly into schematic design, design development, and construction documents. ArchiCAD has helped us gain recognition tremendously, such as national and international awards for built projects and for competitions as well. We tend to be choosy in what we do because we value architecture and we love it. So we'd like to do something which makes sense for us and which we believe in. We live with ArchiCAD, so to say. It is our main tool, and it is an indispensable help in anything that we do, because any architectural project gets funneled through ArchiCAD. Let's say if we need to do a proposal, of course we use ArchiCAD for basic massing or preliminary design. And since the virtual building is such a intricate approach, a schematic design is much more than schematic design used to be 10-15 years ago. So again, for us, ArchiCAD is the indispensable tool of the trade. We have been proponents of sustainable design since day one. I remember even in my school days, I was interested in what used to be called solar architecture at the time. Right now it's called sustainable design. For instance, all the houses that we design have built-in passive solar feature, which means that we control microclimate through basic cross ventilation, lower window take-ins and higher discharge. We also incorporate home automation within the design, which allows us to remotely control lights, shading devices, of course security cameras and air conditioning from a relatively small home computer. And this is no science fiction, it's done today and it works quite well. As a message to young architects, just be yourself. Be an architect. It's a way of life. It's a passion, and try to beautify your life and your surroundings as much as you can. And thank you for using the word cool architecture in conjunction of what we do. Yes, we care about the coolness factor. We care about fun, and we believe that architecture is a great field, and we'd love to see more and more people actually enjoying it. Again, for students, please be yourselves and love architecture.